Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add your 5 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now split the second, third, fourth and fifth photo equally from middle. Now click the first part of second photo and go to Filter. Now slide left to black and white and apply BW3 effect. Increase the opacity to 100. Now apply the same filter to the first part of third, fourth and fifth photo. Now add text. Choose font and style and place the text. Now trim the text layer to first photo. Now add emojis. Add the first emoji and apply the text layer till both split photo. Now split the text layer from between. Now erase the existing emoji and add the next emoji. Now add other emojis like that. I don't have battery emoji, so I'm adding from outside. If you want this, you can this from my Telegram channel. Now add the next emoji. Now check your video and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.